Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a Type 1 hypervisor using the software of VMware's ESXi version 6.5. First I'm going to show you how to configure the settings for the ESXi in its console page. Then I'm going to log into the web client from its static IP address. From there I'm going to show you how to upload an image of Ubuntu and run a virtual machine from the ESXi web client. At this stage, I'm going to assume that you already plugged in the bootable USB into your server and you are at the beginning of the installation page. So we're just going to boot from the local disk. Give it a couple seconds as it checks everything. We're going to cut here and come back to save some time. So it's successful. We're just going to continue, and this is the EULA, so we're just going to accept and continue. It's going to scan for the available device and scan the system to make sure we have the correct system requirements. It's going to ask for we want storage. It's going to put it right there. Default keyboard, go through, yes. Root password. This is going to need 7 characters or more for the password to be stored. We're just going to install. And it's going to need some to reboot, so just click enter and just wait for it to shut down and reboot up, and we'll be at the console to edit the system configurations. As you can see here, it is initially set as DHCP. We want to change that to static to keep the connection consistent. So we're going to go to the F2, click F2 to go to the system and view logs. Type in our password that we set before. Give it a couple seconds to go in. And we're going to go down to configure management network and to IPv4 configuration. Scroll down, press space to set the static IPv4 in network configuration. Enter OK. Enter to change, or go exit to exit out of this, and click yes to save and restart the management network. Then escape to log out, and you will see here that it is set to static. Now we're going to access this IP address from the web client, so you want to take note of that. And we'll jump over to the web client. So now we're going to type in our IP address from our ESXi machine. The default username is root. Then put in the password that you set earlier. Here you can see your system hardware and all the information. But right now we're just going to upload an ISO image and create a virtual machine. So first we go to the storage and data store, go to the data store browser, click upload, and through your local machine you could see your image and you upload it. And it's going to take some time, so we'll just skip through that. Once it's finished installing, it's going to show right here that it's finished. And now we're just going to go to virtual machines, create and register a virtual machine. Select this option, next. Since we're installing Ubuntu, let's call it that, and let's select the operating system family. I did the Ubuntu Linux 64-bit, so I want to select that. And we're going to use the storage that is available. And here you could create your system memory that you want to add it to. For this I'm just going to give it 2 gigs of RAM, give it 2 CPUs, and from the CD DVD drive you're just going to look at the data store ISO file that we uploaded earlier, and we're just going to select on this one, select, and that's about it. Click next, confirm everything is correct, click finish, wait for it to create. Now click on it right here and we'll load it. And I'm not going to install Ubuntu today, I'm just going to show you that it works. And we're going to go to the try to install page. Let's wait for that as it checks everything. We're going to skip through this. As you can see, we're in the beginning of the installation page, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.